Okay, see, write it. An undesirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristic of the air, making it harmful for living organism, that is called air pollution. An undesirable change भी people are saying, ऐसा change जो कि हम लोग desire नहीं करते हैं, that is undesirable change, which occur in physical, chemical and biological properties. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द एयर, ये फिजिकल, केमिकल या फिर बायोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक जो होता है एयर का, उसमें ये जो चेंजेस आते हैं, ठीक है, अनडिजायरेबल थिंग्स जब ऐड होते हैं, एंड विच इज मेकिंग इट हार्मफुल फॉर अदर, दैट इज कंसीडर्ड एज, that can be considered as air pollution. इसको एयर पोल्यूशन कहते हैं, ठीक है. दिस इज द न्यू डेफिनेशन. आरुषि, ये समझ में आया? आरुषि,
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what we are saying. It is the undesirable things when present in the air, which is going to harm the quality of air. That for that we are using the term air pollution. Okay. Next, yesterday I also asked from you people that what are the reason behind air pollution? How air pollution occur? क्या reason है air pollution का? When we are saying addition of undesirable things, जब हम लोग कहते हैं कि undesirable things जब एयर में प्रेजेंट रहता है, जो कि उसके नॉर्मल जो कैरेक्टर है उसको अगर वो डैमेज करता है या हार्मफुल इफेक्ट उससे होता है, तो हम लोग उसको एयर पोल्यूशन कहते हैं. Now yesterday many of you have told me regarding the different sources of air pollution. Now can you name one source which is natural source of air pollution? Anyone? When we are talking about man-made sources, many man-made sources are there that causes the air pollution. Any natural source that cause air pollution? Can you give? In nature, many examples are there due to that event which occur in the nature, the air pollution occur. So what are the natural reasons behind air pollution? Anyone? Let me see any of you can answer or not. अगर हम लोग कह रहे हैं कि when harmful gases is increasing in the air, it means the air is polluted. So what is the natural cause of air pollution? Anyone? क्या किसी को आंसर आ रहा है? नेचुरल कॉज में क्या बोलेंगे? Any natural cause?
Fossil fuel.
Yes.
Fossil fuel.
Fossil fuel. See, fossil fuel is present in nature, but when we are burning that fossil fuel, then it will be man-made activity, ना? वो human जब उसको जलाएगा तभी तो वो pollute होगा, pollution होगा. Fossil fuel cannot be considered as natural example of air pollution. Natural example. Do you know about natural forest fire? सुने हो? Even if you forest fire, when we say naturally forest fire occur, you have heard? सुने हो ये term natural forest fire?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When natural forest fire occur, huge amount of carbon dioxide gas is released. कभी-कभी देखना जंगलों में अपने आप आग लग जाती है. ये हम लोग अक्सर जो है न्यूज वगैरह चैनल्स पे देखते हैं कि जंगलों में अपने आप आग लग गई, और उन जंगलों में जब अपने आप आग लगती है, नेचुरली वो मतलब किसी ने लगाया नहीं, नेचुरली वो फॉरेस्ट फायर जो है उससे ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ हार्मफुल गैसेस जो है रिलीज होते हैं, क्योंकि बर्निंग due to burning carbon dioxide gas is released. So this is the one event which is responsible for natural air pollution. Then when we are talking about other example of natural air pollution, one more example can you give? और कोई example air pollution का natural nature में? See, when living organisms die, okay, and their body start decomposing. जब living organism मरते हैं, ठीक है, तो उनका बॉडी जो है वो डिकम्पोजिशन स्टार्ट मतलब डिकम्पोज करना शुरू हो जाता है. तो वी कैन से डिके ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर इज द अनदर सोर्स ऑफ क्रिएटिंग नेचुरल एयर पोल्यूशन. Okay, decay of organic matter, जो organic matter उनका decaying start हुआ, that will be the second cause of natural air pollution. ये दोनों cause समझ में आए? Anyone? Do you understand what are the two causes of natural air pollution? What you will say? Tell me. What are the 2 points which you can say in natural air pollution? कौन से 2 points को बोलोगे? 2 reasons behind natural air pollution. The first one I said forest fire. Second one is decaying of organic matters. Maybe plant, maybe animal body. If it start decaying, then it is going to pollute the air. So this is the another one. Now, when we talk about artificial sources of air pollution, many sources, man-made sources are many. There you can say burning of fossil fuel, or we can say throwing of non-biodegradable wastes. So burning of non-biodegradable wastes is going to pollute the air, or spraying of insecticide and pesticide. All these are due to human, and that's why this is considered as the man-made source for air pollution. That is responsible man's activity, which is responsible for air pollution. Okay. Now, anyone tell me what is the impact of air pollution? Yesterday we talk about respiratory problems. जो है हम लोग respiratory problems की बात किए थे. That is due to air pollution. Now, any more things which occur due to air pollution? If air is polluted, any other things which can be noticed? क्या कोई ऐसी चीज और होती हैं जो कि अगर एयर पोल्यूटेड है तो उसका इम्पैक्ट में उसको हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं? एनीथिंग? यस, एनीवन?
Breathing problem.
Breathing problem, that we already discussed, that due to air pollution we cannot respire properly, and lots of disease related with the lungs. Okay, disease related with lungs may happen. So that is the another one, respiratory problem we can say. People also learn that if unburned carbon particles are present in the air, that is going to pollute the air. Means if combustion is not taking place properly, that is also going to pollute the air, and it will also create eye irritation or any such type skin diseases. For that it is responsible. And respiratory problem, this is the main thing which happen due to inhaling of polluted air. Next, any point? Do you think due to air pollution global warming occur? क्या सोचते हो? Anyone tell me? One sentence I am saying, if we are inhaling, we people are saying that polluted air is there, then one effect of polluted air is global warming. Is it correct or not? Anyone? ऐसे ये correct है. If I am saying that if the air get polluted, then chances of global warming will be more. Anyone? कोई भी आंसर दे सकता है? रोमिता, you try. Romita, you are hearing me?
Ma'am, repeat the question, please.
My question is that if air is polluted and we are talking about the effect of air pollution, global warming is one of the things which occur due to air pollution. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am, it is true.
It is true. How we can say what will happen if air is polluted? Then
Ma'am, if the air is polluted, the air will have the carbon content and the greenhouse gases more and more, and it will increase the surface temperature of the earth.
Yes, very good. This is the correct answer. See, globally, if harmful gases are present in the air, its percentage increases in the air, then more heat will be trapped by these gases. And due to trapping of it, global warming happens. Okay, means all over the world, the temperature will increase. So we can count it as the effect of air pollution. Next, many diseases, including cancer, can occur due to air pollution. Okay, बहुत सारे diseases, including cancer also, that will occur due to inhaling of we can say polluted air. The next word is smog. Can you define a smog? What is smog? Due to air pollution.
Smoke mixed with fog.
Yes, smoke mixed with fog. You are saying, na? Anyone else?
Yes.
और कोई? Smog का definition. What is smog? when we say that dark fog is formed by condensation of water vapor, dust and smoke particle and various gaseous pollutants such as oxide of nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, this type of gases. Okay, it mixes means when these type of gases are present in the air, okay, and smoke particle and dust, it mixes with the condensation of water vapor occur, due to that fog is formed. When these type of things mixes with the fog, it is going to make the smog. ये जो है smog को बनाएगा, and it this smog produces respiratory problems, and also the visibility will be nil. Okay, if smog is there, visibility will be nil because these harmful things are mixed with the fog. डार्क फॉग जिसको कह सकते हो, मतलब घना कोहरा रहेगा, जिससे कि इवन सनलाइट जो है प्रॉपरली नहीं आएगी अर्थ पे. ओके, इतना घना कोहरा जैसा हो जाएगा. अनबर्न कार्बन पार्टिकल और गैसेस जो है वो सस्पेंडेड रहेंगे एयर में, हार्मफुल गैसेस, और फॉग उसके साथ मिक्स होगा तो वो स्मोक का फॉर्मेशन करेगा, और जिससे कि विजिबिलिटी जो है वो नील हो जाएगी. ठीक है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड स्मॉग. इसको स्मॉग कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, yesterday we people have talked about again water. This is the another important natural resource. ये अगला जो है natural important resource है. Water, as you know, this is very important for us, but many factors are there which is responsible for polluting the water. Can you tell me what are the factors that are responsible for polluting water? कौन से factors हैं? Like air, we people also discussed about water. हम लोग वाटर के बारे में भी डिस्कस किए थे. तो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स दैट आर रिस्पांसिबल फॉर पोल्यूटिंग द वाटर बॉडीज? एनीवन? क्या फैक्टर्स हैं जिससे वाटर पोल्यूट होता है? सी द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, यस, एनीवन, इफ यू विश यू कैन आंसर. अनम्यूट होके आंसर दो तो, अगर आता है तुमको तो. आई थिंक एवरीवन नोज, जितने लोग हैं 6-7 लोग तो हैं ही. नो, ऑलमोस्ट 10. So 9 total. So भी जिसको आंसर आ रहा हो बताओ तो मुझे. How water
Ma'am,
bodies,
industrial waste.
industrial waste products are thrown, or hospital wastes are thrown in the water bodies. That is the major factor of polluting water. Second one, anyone?
Oil spill in the oceans.
Yes, oil splitting from the tankers or ships in the ocean. That is the another reason. Third reason, water pollution.
Ma'am, chemical fertilizer and pesticides.
Yes, chemical fertilizer and pesticides which are used by the farmers to increase their production, that through rainwater passes into the water bodies, and that is going to decrease the oxygen level of the water bodies, or that is going to pollute the water. It is creating a harmful effect on the aquatic life also. Any more activity? और कोई activity guess करो. We are saying that oil splitting from the tankers, or that is going to pollute water bodies. Then we can say by using insecticide, pesticides, other things which you think, or industrial and hospital waste if thrown in the water bodies, that is going to pollute it. Any more point? See, one more point I explained to you already. That is throwing of dead bodies in water bodies. Throwing of dead bodies in water bodies, that is also going to pollute the water, or ashes that is thrown in the river, that is going to pollute the water. अगर ashes या dead bodies को water bodies में डाल दिया जाए, I think in the year 2021 you people have heard the news of throwing dead bodies in water. सुने हो इस न्यूज को? एक न्यूज आया था in particularly of the from Uttar Pradesh, I think. सुने थे तुम लोग? That many dead bodies are
Yes,
just,
ma'am.
yes, बहुत सारे dead bodies को यूं ही पानी में बहा दिया गया था. Okay, so that is going to pollute the river water. वो river water को pollute करेगा, and it will going to create problems for the aquatic life also. ये aquatic life के लिए भी problematic situation होगा. Okay, so these are the reasons. Industrial waste or use of detergent also one of the important factor. डिटर्जेंट्स का जो यूज हम लोग करते हैं वो भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है वाटर पोल्यूशन का. And many points we people have discussed like splitting of oil. Now, how to overcome this type of problem? What should be done to control water pollution? What should be done? वाटर पोल्यूशन को रोकने के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट तरीका कोई एक बताओ मुझे. one sentence what you will say first, which is the most important thing, how to check the pollution of water. एक इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट बताओ जिससे कि हम लोग गेस कर सकें कि सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग क्या है. डोंट यू थिंक दैट सिंपली टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल. ओके, पीपल में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए सबसे जरूरी है कि why water is important for us and it has bad impact on us if we are polluting the water. This is the first thing which should be noticed. Then some measures are taken by the government to clean the water bodies. Water bodies को clean करने के लिए कुछ government ने measures भी लिए हैं. Any such actions you know for cleaning river Ganga action plan was launched. जानते हो ये रिवर गंगा को क्लीन करने के लिए गंगा एक्शन प्लान को लॉन्च किया गया. इसी तरह से डिफरेंट वाटर बॉडीज को क्लीन करने के लिए जो है लोग जो है पर्टिकुलरली फॉर सम फेमस रिवर पीपल आर ट्राइंग ओके बाय क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस अमंग द मास. अब जो है लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि वाटर पोल्यूशन का क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा इसके वजह से वो जो है लोगों में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं why it is important for us and we people have to save water. Okay, don't you think the fresh natural resource soil is an important natural resource? How can we say? Anyone? Because whatever we are getting, whatever the food materials which we people are eating, that is if we take the vegetarian foods particularly, and most of the things we are getting from the plants and that grow in the soil. So soil is very important for us. This is also an important natural resource. Soil भी एक important natural resource है. Regarding formation of soil, what is responsible? Soil formation कैसे होता है? Anyone? Soil is formed by? Yes, anyone tell me? Do you know how soil is formed? You heard the term about weathering?
Weathering.
Yes, weathering term सुने हो? By weathering or decomposition of organic matter. You have heard, जानते हो ये terms? See, weathering of mother rock, हम लोग कहते हैं कि due to weathering of rock, soil is formed. Rock weathering जो है वो important factor है for rock formation. And second one we are taking as decomposition of organic matter. Organic matter जब decompose करेंगे, okay, that will also lead to the formation of soil. So main factor that influence the soil formation from the rocks are किन किन वजहों से soil का formation होता है. The main factors are sun, water, wind and living organism. ये पढ़े हो weathering of rock? Already I think I have explained to you people. ये topic मैंने पहले ही explain किया था तुम लोगों को. क्या weathering of rock बताए थे? Yes, Arushi, do you know what is weathering of rock?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is weathering of rock? Tell me how soil formation occur. कैसे soil form होता है बताओ. Already I have explained to you this topic. Yes.
Cutting down of rocks into smaller particle called weathering.
It is simply, we can say, breaking of mother rock into simpler and simpler form, means finest particle we can say. And this is due to sun, due to wind, due to water or other living organism also lead to the formation. They also, we can say, play important role in soil formation. Soil formation, what happens actually when we are talking about the sun? अगर हम लोग sun की बात करें, so what is the role of sun? See, when on a mother rock, अगर एक mother rock है and continuously the sun's heat is during the day when sun hits fall on that rock, okay, slowly the rock get heated up. अगर हम लोग मदर रॉक को ले लें तो मदर रॉक जो है, अगर see how I am showing to you people, if this is the mother rock we are taking, then during daytime when due to solar heat this portion of the rock is getting heated up, ये portion जो है rock का solar heat से heat हो रहा है, it is again heated up, but the another portion that is not going to heat up, okay, because here sun heat is falling directly, so this portion is heating up, and at night there will be cooling, so continuously heating and cooling process is going on, that is expansion due to heating, the particles which is present here that will expand, and due to cooling again it will contract, so continuously expansion and contraction is taking place, and due to that crack is going to arise in this mother rock. If we are taking it as a mother rock, then what will happen? Simple cracks are going to arise in this mother rock due to this heating and cooling process, because continuously it is expanding and then contracting. Expansion हो रहा है फिर contraction हो रहा है, तो इस तरह से mother rock में क्या होंगे? Cracks arise होंगे, and due to these cracks in the mother rock, what will happen? Small, we can say, small cracks will slowly, then due to the effect of nature, it is slowly becoming the large. And if this rock is present in that area where the temperatures fall below 0 degree, so at night what will happen? If due to some reason water passes into this crack, at night due to cooling, what happens when this water will convert into ice form? It will make that crack more wider. समझ में आया तुम लोगों को? And slowly the crack will become large. And after many days, what we will notice that the mother rock will split. ये समझ में आया? Yes, anyone? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the wind also play important role? Wind क्या करता है? अगर rock, if the rock is splitting, okay, rock जब टूटते हैं, the finest particle will be taken away by the wind to some other place. From one place to another it will go, and that lead to the formation of soil, और इससे soil का formation होता है. Sometime what we observe that the river are also carrying the soil from one place to another. वो river जो है अपने deposits को लाके कहाँ पर जमा करते हैं? The place where river meet with the sea. So in that place also we are going to get new soil year after year. Okay, that is there also we can see that new soils are people are getting. Okay, so these are the things which are responsible for. And sometime one more point you can add in this, that due to living organism also rock formation occur. Living organism की वजह से भी rock formation होते हैं. Can you define how? Anyone? Living organisms too are responsible for formation of rock. Anyone? Yes, we are talking about many things like sun, water, wind. Living organism also we are saying. Then how living organisms play important role in formation of rock. ऐसे living organisms जो हैं formation of rock में important role अदा करते हैं. कोई भी बताओ मुझे. Anyone? Yes. Living organisms का क्या रोल है? Living organisms like mosses and lichen. You know about lichen or mosses? Anyone? Lichen या mosses नाम सुने हो? Anyone? No one. Lichen या moss किसको कहते हैं? First of all, define these two words. God. Lichen and mosses, can you tell me? 8 participants are there. 8 participants हैं. कोई भी जानते हो lichen word किसको बोलते हैं? If you tell me about the word lichen, can you define a symbiotic association between anyone? You've heard about algae and fungi, a symbiotic association between algae and fungi that will form lichen. सुने हो ये term? No one is responding.
Yes, ma'am.
Lichen सुने हो ना word? या फिर mosses. Mosses जो है वो smaller plants हैं which are considered in that when we are learning about the plants, there you have learned about bryophytes. Bryophytes के बारे में पढ़े थे, तो वहां पर mosses के बारे में पढ़े थे, ठीक है? तो जो living organism है, lichen हो गए या mosses हो गए, these things when grow on the rock, जब ये चीजें जो है rocks में ये भी rock पर निकलती हैं, तो what certain things are released by these living organisms which is going to break the rock. चीजें इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से सिक्रीट होती हैं जो कि रॉक को क्या करती हैं, ब्रेक कर देती हैं. लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स टू प्ले इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ soil. Okay, then chemical processes are there. After that we will come to know regarding the decomposition by organic matters. Organic matters जब decay होने लगते हैं तो certain things are released from their body and that is going to break the rock or that is going to corrode the rock and that will lead to formation of soil. So ये सारे factors soil के formation के लिए responsible हैं. Now how soil get polluted? Anyone? How soil get polluted? कोई भी बताओ soil कैसे pollute होता है? Any one of you? Tell me how soil get polluted. No one. Soil कैसे pollute होता है बताओ? When we people are throwing the non-biodegradable waste product in the soil, then soil is getting polluted. जब हम लोग non-biodegradable materials को soil में डाल देते हैं, okay, then the soil is going to pollute, and definitely due to the chemicals, insecticide, pesticide, that also going to change the texture of the soil. If we people are using the fertilizers, then that is going to change the chemical nature of the soil. So soil get polluted. Soil जो है वो pollute हो सकता है उससे. Okay, so these things are responsible for soil pollution. तो ये तीन जो है तुम लोग now how to prevent the soil from wastage. Anyone? Soil जो है वो due to soil erosion, if the upper fertile layer is removed, okay, so how we can prevent the soil erosion? Anyone? ऐसे soil erosion को prevent करेंगे? Because we know that due to water or wind, the upper fertile layer of soil is when passed away. It is called soil erosion. So how to prevent soil erosion? Anyone? You all know the answer of this question. इस question का आंसर लगभग तुम लोगों को पता होगा. ऐसे soil erosion को prevent करें, बताओ कोई भी? How we are going to prevent soil erosion? Important point is that by anyone? बताओ तो मुस्कान, रोमिता. How we can?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, important point. Soil erosion को कैसे हम लोग prevent करेंगे?
Ma'am, stop deforestation and planting more and more trees.
Yes, very good. That is the major reason. If we plant more and more trees and we people will stop deforestation, then naturally the upper fertile layer which is present of the soil, that will be prevented from being washed away. Okay, उसको upper fertile layer को हम लोग जो है conserve कर सकते हैं. So this is the another we can say natural resource. That is, soil is another important natural resource which we people are talking about. इसके बारे में जो हम लोग पढ़े वो soil जो है वो एक important natural resource है. Some other measures which should be taken is, instead of using chemical fertilizer or chemicals to increase the production, what we are going to do, we are going to focus on organic farming. Okay? Organic farming पे ज़्यादा जोड़ देंगे ताकि जो है हम लोग soil को बचा सकें. Then next one, sometime terrace farming or intensive cropping, ये सब किया जाता है to prevent the soil erosion. ये और भी बहुत से तरीके हैं जिससे कि soil को हम लोग conserve कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this is regarding the topic soil. Now, do you think in water, air and soil, do you have any problem? इसके बाद एक बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल इस लेसन में है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है. क्या इसमें कहीं प्रॉब्लम है सॉइल एयर वाटर में? एनीवन?
No, ma'am.
नहीं ना? तो नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग बायोजियोकेमिकल को साइकिल को स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, इन बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल यू पीपल हैव टू लर्न अबाउट water cycle, then carbon cycle, after that nitrogen cycle. I think in your book it is given. So ये important जो है terms, इनको हम लोग next day biogeochemical cycle को पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, अभी तक जितना मैंने the portion which I have covered up to now, until now. Okay, in that portion what are the important things that you have learned? Anyone? कभी बताओ तो क्या क्या पढ़े चैप्टर में? Anyone? Arushi, you are hearing me? Or Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what are the topic which you have learned in this so far, in this chapter?
Ma'am,
What are,
about air pollution,
then?
water pollution,
Yes, next.
Soil, formation of soil.
Okay, any more thing you have learned? See, first of all, we people have discussed that what is the role of atmosphere in climatic control. पहला हम लोग सबसे फर्स्ट क्या पढ़े थे? Role of atmosphere in climatic control. Then next, yesterday I told you the difference between that why life is only possible on Earth and not on other planets. Okay, what are the conditions which is making our Earth a suitable place to live? Then we people talk about that how the balance of carbon dioxide is maintained, how carbon dioxide is released and from where it is utilized. Okay, then movement of wind, another topic. Then regarding cloud formation, important process we people have discussed evaporation and condensation, इसको भी हम लोग पढ़े थे. और उसके बाद हम लोग क्या पढ़े? एयर, वाटर और सॉइल, ये तीन टॉपिक को हम लोग पढ़े. ठीक है, इतना हो गया है ना? क्या किसी को कहीं प्रॉब्लम है इस टॉपिक में? The only fours are there. क्या किसी को प्रॉब्लम है? एंड करें? I think it will end in 1 minute or 2. 1 minute most probably. क्या आरुषि कोई प्रॉब्लम है? आरुषि?
No, ma'am.
No. You are there, Muskan, Romita and Roshan. बस यही students हैं. And rest of all they left. It is a golden, I think this is the golden opportunity for them to live. Okay. Romita, don't you think so? Golden opportunity है इन लोगों की.
I don't know.
Simply they are leaving the
If they
class.
don't want to attend, if they don't want